into this book. What do you want readers to take away from your writing of this book?
And that really is the most important thing, because you could read a book, you could enjoy the book immensely, and it could have absolutely no value to you going ahead, have no benefit to you. So the most important thing that you have to understand is actionable things you can do, actionable plans to actually put into place that will help you to succeed. So my hope is that people read it, and then they reread it, and then they apply it to their shows to understand if they're not succeeding as much as they would like to be now, why, and how to change it, how to take on new habits, new skills that will make you a winner.
Kerry Lutz with us today. He joins us live here in our broadcast and talking about the world of podcasting and his fantastic book. It is available right now. It's on Amazon and anywhere fine books are sold. And why do you think that this book will appeal to readers?
Well, because it's really my own personal journey, but my own personal journey expressed in a way that others can relate to it and that others can learn from and apply the lessons to their own journeys. Podcasting is a journey. My father always used to say, anytime you go into a new business, you're going to pay for lessons. So the key to having a really good startup, making money very quickly, is to learn from other people's lessons that you don't have to pay for. And you see this all through business. Startups, they waste money, and I've been guilty of it too. I had way too much fancy equipment. I just was on a acquisition drive, trying new equipment all the time. It's totally not necessary. That's really got nothing to do with your success. Once you learn the basic technical aspects of podcasting, record, edit, put on your intro, your outro. If you're using music, use music. Once you learn how to do that, how to post it onto the web server, how to post it onto your website, and then how to promote it, basic promotion, you've learned all the technical stuff you need to know. Yes, you can always improve your editing technique. People are much better editors out there than I am, can tell you that firsthand. My producer, Melissa, is way better than I will ever be. She worked at a radio station and did all edits and voiceovers and stuff. But once you learn the basic technology and you can put out a decent product that I would say is about 85% as good technically as you would hear on a radio station, when you hit that 80-85% mark, you don't have to worry about anything else. Then you really focus on the business of podcasting and connecting with your market, increasing your listenership, and, of course, most importantly, monetizing.
We've got Kerry Lutz with us today. He joins us live here in a broadcast, coast to coast, border to border on TuneIn, iTunes, Radio Loyalty, Stitcher, and the brand new Jiggy Jaguar app available in the App Store, jiggyjaguar.us. Viral podcasting is the topic, and the book is called Viral Podcasting, a proven process to earn a six-figure income from your show. And podcasting is a huge deal nowadays. There are a lot of radio professionals, former radio professionals, aspiring radio professionals that are getting into podcasting. Do you think the marketplace is cluttered, my friend?
It's definitely cluttered, but that doesn't mean that opportunities don't exist. Yeah, there's 85 different podcasts where they interview an entrepreneur. What's your key to success? What was your biggest challenge? What's your biggest flaw? Blah, blah, blah. I could do those things in my sleep. That one's oversaturated because there's one guy out there who who makes a seven-figure income, and everybody's trying to be just like him. And that's the wrong way to approach this. Authenticity, being yourself. There might be an interesting twist that you could do on that niche of failed entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs who have failed their way to the top, taking a little chunk or a little borrowing from Scott Adams's book, Failing Your Way to Success, there's lots of ways to do it, but just a straightforward interview approach, kind of been there, done that, got the T-shirt, don't bother. So, you need to be original. And look, I have friends, I didn't get on the all Trump all the time, but I have friends that did it and went from getting 1 million downloads a month to getting 50, 100 million downloads. I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to turn my podcast into a political platform for any party, because I felt like that was going to be short-lived, and it's not me. So you have to find what you love, what you're passionate about, and then come up with an angle on it that nobody else has done. And you will attract an audience if you follow what's in viral podcasting.
Fantastic. Well, I appreciate you making time for us today. Thanks for coming on, my friend. It's definitely been a interesting interview. The book is amazing. Thanks for being with us again, my friend.
Hey, my pleasure, and thanks for having me.
Definitely. Well, we will talk to you soon. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon, Kerry. Appreciate it, my friend. There goes Kerry Lutz, and we are going to take a timeout. And when we come back,